What if I told you there's a natural way to supercharge your energy, balance your stress and boost your body's resilience, all without caffeine or synthetic supplements? Enter adaptogens, nature's secret weapon for helping your body adapt and thrive in today's high-stress world. Let's unlock your body's true potential. Welcome back to Fit Fuel Diaries, where we fuel your mind, body and soul with wellness strategies that work. Today, we're diving into a lesser-known but incredibly powerful health ally, adaptogens. These herbal heroes don't just treat symptoms, they work with your body to restore balance, fight fatigue, and even sharpen your focus. Let's explore the top benefits, how they work, and how you can use them to become your most resilient self. Adaptogens are a unique group of herbs and mushrooms that help your body resist stressors, whether physical, chemical, or biological. The term adaptogen was coined in the 1940s, based on the idea that these substances help the body adapt to stress. Unlike quick-fix energy boosters that cause crashes, adaptogens help your systems self-regulate over time. Think of them as stress modulators. They don't block stress, they help your body handle it better. Some of the most well-known adaptogens include ashwagandha, rhodiola, holy basil, and reishi mushrooms. Each works differently, but all aim to restore harmony within. Imagine your body as a musical instrument. Adaptogens help keep it in tune. Modern life is stressful. Deadlines, screens, noise, constant notifications, it adds up. Prolonged stress triggers cortisol, the stress hormone, which affects sleep, mood, weight, and even skin. Adaptogens help regulate cortisol levels and support adrenal health. Ashwagandha, for example, is clinically proven to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Rhodiola can fight burnout and improve mental clarity, especially in high-pressure situations. The best part? These herbs don't sedate you, they balance you. They lift when you're low and ground when you're anxious. It's like giving your nervous system a reset button naturally. Ever feel like you're running on empty? That midday slump or morning fog? Adaptogens can help your body maintain stable energy levels all day long without jitters or crashes. Cordyceps, a type of medicinal mushroom, is known for enhancing stamina and lung function. Siberian ginseng supports physical endurance and immune strength, making it a favorite among athletes. By enhancing how your cells produce energy, adaptogens work at the root rather than masking fatigue. No more relying on endless cups of coffee. This is clean, consistent, and sustainable energy. Your immune system is your frontline defense, and adaptogens help keep it strong. Many adaptogens have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that protect cells and fight chronic inflammation, a root cause of aging and disease. Holy basil and reishi mushroom, for instance, have been shown to boost immunity and improve resilience to illnesses. They don't overstimulate your immune system, they regulate it, which is key for people prone to autoimmune issues or frequent infections. When your immune system is balanced, your whole body thrives, and you're less likely to get knocked down by stress or sickness. You don't need a shelf full of supplements to reap the benefits. Adaptogens come in many forms: teas, capsules, powders, or tinctures. Start slow and consistent. Pick one or two based on your needs. Feeling anxious or sleepless? Try ashwagandha or reishi. Need an energy boost? Go with rhodiola or cordyceps. Add them to your morning smoothie, tea, or even golden milk at night. But always consult a healthcare provider, especially if you're on medication, pregnant, or managing chronic conditions. Consistency is key. These herbs work best when taken regularly over weeks, not days. Adaptogens aren't a magic pill, but they're pretty close to nature's version of one. They help your body heal, handle stress, and perform at its best, without harsh side effects or burnout. So if you're ready to feel balanced, energized, and resilient from the inside out, adaptogens may be your next wellness upgrade. Comment below if you've tried any adaptogens or have questions about which one's right for you. Like this video, share it with a friend who needs a stress reset, and don't forget to subscribe to Fit Fuel Diaries for more holistic health content every week.